Hello everybody, it's Alicia. It's time for the Angel of the Day. It's not actually the day of the Angel of the Day, but that's okay because we are going to be doing an angel that I'm missing from my playlist. Angel number 69. This is ROCHEL, the 69th name of God. This angel is from the angel choir, the angel of restitution, guardian angel of those born between March 1st and 5th. So this is for the person who has this birthday, but it also is for the people who have the ruling day. This ROCHEL angel rules over March 11th, May 27th, August 7th, October 18th, and December 29th. So those are the ruling days of this angel of ROCHEL. So let's hear about what the personality is of the person who has this as their guardian angel or the ruling day angel. You always love to be with your family. You are energetic and determined. You are an intuitive person. You are strong and never give up on your goals. Your guardian angel shows you your path and protects you. You are strong spiritually and know that any loss in the world is a spiritual victory. So it's so important for you to understand when you are listening to these words, you sometimes have to think beyond what the words are saying. And sometimes there are meanings behind these words that may pertain to you. Some people will say, that kind of sounds like me. But if you really think about it and you can get into the words or some different meaning behind those words, you'll see that this angel is very much like you. So this angel, and here, this beautiful fish right here, this stands for my buddy, Jesus. He is the number one person in my life, and he has dominion over these beautiful angels. So let's see what the psalm says. So the psalm for this angel is Psalm 16. So let's see if I can find it really quickly. Psalm 16:5, which says, because these Bibles are intrinsically connected to the Bible, and specifically to chapter 14 in Exodus, verses 19 through 21, which is when Moses leads the Hebrews through the Red Sea. So let's see. 16:5, which says, Lord, my allotted portion and my cup, you have made my destiny secure. So that is a beautiful way to say restitution. If you're making your destiny secure, you may have to get back some restitution for the people who are faithful to God. So Psalm 16:5. Now, the way you say it, pronunciation is on the back, ROCHEL. Because I don't really read Hebrew. Some of you will and some of you won't, but I wanted to put the proper phonetic spelling on there so you can say the name. Because when you say the name properly, it brings a specific meaning to it, and it brings a special power to it. So ROCHEL rules over March 11th, May 27th, August 7th, October 18th, and December 29th. Meditate on the name of God, ROCHEL, to protect you from energy stealers or family issues. Sorry, I kind of had a little typo in there. ROCHEL is tasked by God to give you what you want and what you are due. He helps you find lost objects. He helps move you forward on your life path. ROCHEL is the patron of history, law, and justice. ROCHEL is full of love. He helps with insecurities. The great thing about these angels is that each angel has a task by God. And the reason why I made these cards, one of the reasons why, is to not only show you who your guardian angel is and who your ruling day angel is, but what the angel does. So that when you are in a specific point in your life, when you feel conflicted and maybe that you need help moving forward, you know that you can call on ROCHEL to help you move forward. So that is a beautiful way to do this. So excited. Want to let you know. If you've been following me, you know that I've been doing a lot of biofield tuning. So I just received my 3 angel tuning forks, and they are tuned to the solfeggio. Well, I don't know if it's a solfeggio, but they are tuned to the frequency of 4160, that's 4,160, 4096, and 4225. They've got a really cool sound. I'll have to lower this so you can kind of hear. It's really pretty. So it's a neat sound. and it's supposed to connect you to the celestial realms. Isn't that cool? So these forks are some of the forks that I will be incorporating with my other forks in my biofield tuning sessions. I'm having one tomorrow at Purple Ohm in Denville. So if you happen to see this video, tomorrow is the 18th of January at 7 p.m. and I'm going to visualize everyone there tomorrow because there's a storm coming. But anyway, I don't want to keep you too much longer. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful angel, Reahe, the 69th name of God. Okay, bye.